Okay students, question number 8 is, in the given figure AOB is a straight line. Class, in this exercise you will find such type of question only. That's why I am doing whole questions here only. That means in the class only. In the given figure AOB is a straight line and the rays OC and OD stand on it. That means two rays are there, okay, that is standing on straight line AOB. That means we are getting here three angles. See, angle COE, angle COD and angle DOB. But the measurement of three angles will be 180 degree only. Okay, why? Because it is standing on the straight line. Now, if angle AOC equals to 65 degree, measurement of angle AOC is 65 degree, measurement of angle BOD is 70 degree, it is given. What you have to find out? You have to find out the measurement of angle COD because it is x degree. So what you have to find out? You have to find out the value of x. So let's start doing. So solution 8, I am drawing the figure. Figure is A O B. I am drawing two ray here. This is OC and this is OD. They have given you 65 degree, x degree and 70 degree. Now we will start doing like this. Angle AOC is 65 degree. The reason you will write in the bracket, it is given in the question. So you will write given. Then angle BOD equals to 70 degree. Why? It is given in the question. And what is the measurement of angle COD? COD, it is x degree because we don't know. Okay, so can I write like this? Measurement of angle AOC plus measurement of angle BOD plus measurement of angle COD equals to 180 degree. Why? The reason is linear pair property. You have to write down the reason also. Otherwise your marks are going to be cut. You have to write down the reason. Now measurement of angle AOC is 65 degree plus measurement of angle BOD is 70 degree plus measurement of angle COD is x equals to 180 degree. 65 plus 70 will become 135 degree plus x equals to 180 degree. Now we will take like terms together. So here it is 135. When I take here, it will become minus 135 because plus is given. Yes or no? So I will write x equals to 180 minus 135. When you will subtract it, it will become x equals to measurement of angle COD equals to, we are finding the value of COD. So I have to write measurement of angle COD. Now 10 minus 5 will be 5, 7 minus 3 will be 4. That is 45 degree. This is our answer. And if you want to find out whether your answer is right or wrong, you can find out 65 plus 70 is 135 and 135 plus 45 will become 180 degree. Okay. Now question number 9. Students, in question number 9, what they have given you, that in the given figure, two straight lines are there. See, two straight lines are given, AB and CD. Intersect at a point O here. That means O पे ये intersect कर रहे हैं. And only one angle is given to you, that is angle AOC. What is the measurement of angle AOC? It is 42 degree. And you have to find out the rest of the angles formed. That is, you have to find out the measurement of angle COB. You have to find out measurement of angle BOD. You have to find out measurement of angle AOD. Now, how you are going to find it out? I am going to explain first in the book and then I will do in the register also. So, you just listen. First of all, you have to find out measurement of angle AOD. How you are going to find it out? See, don't see this. This is straight line. Yes or no? COD is a straight line and ray OA stands on it. So, I am getting two angles, that is COA and AOD. That means when I add COA and AOD, I will get my answer as 180 degree. Now one angle is already given to you, that is 42 degree. When you subtract 42 from 180, you will get the measurement of this angle, yes or no? So 180 minus 42 will be 10 minus 2 will be 8, 138 degree. Is it clear? Now again, see, this is 42 degree. That means अगर इसका opposite angle अगर मैं find out करने के लिए बोलूँ तो ये भी क्या हो जाएगा 42 डिग्री. क्यों? फिगर देखो, x का फॉर्म कर रहा है और मैंने आपको वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल समझाया था, याद है आपको? अगर नहीं भी याद आए तो यू जस्ट गो थ्रू द पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर. जो मैंने इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स आप लोगों को लिखवाया था स्टार्टिंग में, उसको गो थ्रू करना. उसमें मैंने लिखा हुआ है वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स में क्या होता है, आपका x का फॉर्म होता है और अगर एक एंगल 42 डिग्री है, सपोज़ एक एंगल जो भी मेजरमेंट यहाँ पर दिया 50 डिग्री होता तो उसके जस्ट ऑपोजिट में जो भी एंगल है उसका मेजरमेंट भी सेम होता. सपोज़ अगर इधर 42 डिग्री है तो यहाँ पर भी आपका 42 डिग्री आएगा, और अगर इधर 138 डिग्री है तो यहाँ पर भी आपका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा 138 डिग्री हो जाएगा. और आप रीज़न क्या लिखोगे? रीज़न लिखोगे वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? ओके okay student, this is the one way of finding out these angles. Now you can find out in other way also, but I think this is the easiest method of finding out the angles. आप दूसरे वे से भी कर सकते हो, वो मेथड भी मैं आपको समझाऊंगी, लेकिन ये वाला जो मेथड है वो सबसे इजी मेथड है. मैंने क्या किया, सबसे पहले यहाँ पर 42 डिग्री था तो मैंने 180 माइनस 42 डिग्री कर दिया तो मेरा आंसर मुझे मिल गया 138 डिग्री मिल गया. रीज़न मैं क्या लिखूँगी? लीनियर पेयर प्रॉपर्टी लिखूँगी. ठीक है. उसके बाद में ऑपोजिट एंगल्स जो हैं वो हमेशा इक्वल होते हैं. जैसे अगर यहाँ पर 42 है तो यहाँ पर भी 42 डिग्री होगा, यहाँ 138 है तो यहाँ पर भी 138 डिग्री होगा. वाई? रीज़न इज़ वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. जो वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स होते हैं वो हमेशा इक्वल होते हैं. ठीक है. एक तो ये वे हो गया फाइंड आउट करने का, और दूसरा वे ये ले सकते हो आप. सपोज़ आपने 42 डिग्री और 138 डिग्री फाइंड आउट कर दी. ठीक है. उसी वे से, जिस वे से हमने ये फाइंड आउट किया था, अब आप इसको मत देखो. अब आपके पास क्या है, ये दो एंगल फॉर्म हो गए लीनियर पेयर प्रॉपर्टी की वजह से, BOD और DOA. अब आपको DOA का मेजरमेंट पता है कितना है, 138 डिग्री है. और लीनियर पेयर प्रॉपर्टी के अकॉर्डिंग जो एंगल्स फॉर्म होते हैं लीनियर पेयर में स्ट्रेट लाइन में, उनका मेजरमेंट हमेशा 180 डिग्री होता है। तो अगर ये 138 डिग्री है तो इसको जब आप माइनस करोगे 180 से तो आपका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर 42 डिग्री आ जाएगा, जो रिमेनिंग आंसर है। यस और नो? देन अगेन फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट दिस, here 42 degree is given, so 180 minus 42 will be 138 degrees. So in this way also you can find it out. Okay, so let's start doing in the register. Okay students, now first of all you will write angle AOC equals to 42 degree. Reason you will write given. First is angle AOD. Now how you will going to find out AOD? You can write angle AOC plus angle AOD equals to 180 degree. The reason is linear pair property. So angle AOC is 42 degree plus angle AOD you don't know equals to 180 degree. Now you will take 42 degree here, so it will become angle AOD equals to 180 minus 42 equals to 138 degree. So first answer is 138 degree. Now in second, what you have to find out? Angle BOD. So how you are going to find it out? Here angle AOC equals to angle BOD equals to, what is the measurement of angle AOC? First angle BOD. First of all you will write here you will write angle AOC equals to 42 degree. Angle AOC equals to 42 degree given. First of all you will write like this. So angle AOC equals to BOD equals to 42 degree. Reason you will write vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are always equal. Now third is measurement of angle COB. So for angle COB you will see angle AOD. Here you will write angle AOD equals to 138 degree. Reason क्या लिखोगे? From 1. First से मिला है आपको, तो you will write from 1. So you will write measurement of angle COB equals to measurement of angle AOD equals to 138 degree. Reason is again vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So like this you will find it out. Is it clear? So this is the easiest way of finding out the angles. Now next question, that is question number 10.